How to scan a barcode with Labscope and smart microscopy. Faced with a high volume of samples, or with sensitive data, or with both, uncomplicated, precise data management is key. You need to work quickly and with total data accuracy. That's where barcode labeling comes into its own, helping you work through even large sample quantities with great ease and reliability. Your smart microscope from ZEISS lets you assign microscope images with the correct scaling information to barcode-labeled samples. Just use your AxioLab 5 or AxioScope 5 microscope with Windows PC or iPad. Here's how it works. Switch on the microscope. Start Labscope on your iPad and connect with your smart microscope. Open an image from the Files view and click on the Configure File Name template. Choose a text template and activate Ask on Save. Place your sample on the stage and focus. Then press Snap. The acquired image will automatically include the correct scaling information. By scanning the barcode with the built-in camera of the iPad, you will assign that particular barcode ID to the acquired image. And if you're taking multiple images of one sample, the file name with the barcode ID will be extended automatically with a counter when scanning the same barcode. Alternatively, you can connect a standard barcode reader to your Windows device and follow the same workflow. No matter which option you prefer, it's easy and completely dependable. For further information, visit our website